In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify and Discord integration. If your Discord profile isn't showing the music you're listening to on Spotify, or the connection between the two apps keeps disconnecting or failing to update, don't worry. In most cases, the issue can be resolved by checking a few settings and refreshing the connection. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to get Spotify and Discord working together again so your listening activity appears correctly on your profile. To get started, open Discord and click the gear icon near your avatar in the bottom left corner to open user settings. In the left sidebar, click Connections. This page displays all of the services currently linked to your Discord account. Look for the Spotify icon and check whether your Spotify account is already connected. If it isn't listed, you'll need to add it. If it is connected but your listening status isn't updating, the next step is to refresh that connection. The quickest way to do this is by disconnecting and reconnecting Spotify. In the Connections page, click the X next to Spotify to remove the existing connection. Then click Add, choose Spotify from the list of available services, and follow the prompts to sign in and authorize the connection again. Make sure you're signing in with the correct Spotify account and approve the requested permissions so Discord can display your listening activity. After reconnecting your account, open Spotify and start playing a song. Keep in mind that Discord only displays your Spotify status while music is actively playing. If the song is paused, your listening activity won't appear. Once playback starts, wait a few seconds, since presence updates may take a short time to sync. Next, verify a few Spotify settings. Confirm that you're signed in to the correct account, and make sure Spotify isn't in offline mode. If Spotify is offline, Discord won't be able to detect your listening activity. It's also a good idea to verify that your account is active and functioning normally. Now refresh both applications completely. Close Discord and Spotify instead of simply minimizing them. On some computers, you may also need to exit both applications from the system tray before reopening them. Start Spotify first, begin playing a song, and then reopen Discord. Finally, return to Discord's user settings and open Activity Privacy. Make sure the option labeled Display Current Activity as a status message is turned on. This setting allows Discord to show your Spotify listening status on your profile. At this point, your profile should display listening to Spotify along with the current track information and album artwork. If it still doesn't appear immediately, wait a few more seconds while the song continues playing. If necessary, sign out of both Spotify and Discord, then sign back in to completely refresh the connection. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,